Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna make banana pancake. It's an easy, simple step recipe. I want you to stay tuned. Let's get started. Need in your kitchen that's overripe. So we're just gonna peel it and dump it in there. After we dump it in there, you're gonna basically need anything you have in the kitchen to basically smash this banana. Basically like smashed it. This banana is very sweet. You don't really need I'm gonna get everything out. Very sweet, so you don't need a lot of sugar. It's gonna be a very easy, simple step, okay? And second, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or if you want to use granulated sugar, stuck in there. Let's try and remember you don't need a lot of sugar because if you don't want to use sugar, you don't have to, because basically you're going to basically use more than likely pancake syrup or what your special you like. Second, you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Whisk that in. And also, we're gonna switch this around because we already break up the banana, so you don't need this anymore. We're gonna switch to basically a spatula, like a rubber spatula. Clean your sides of your banana. Your bowl, let's say, sorry. And then you're gonna need 2 teaspoons of baking powder and also 2 tablespoons of oil and a little pinch of salt and also cinnamon, a little splash of cinnamon, and also allspice, a little splash of allspice, and we're gonna use nutmeg. We're gonna use a little splash of nutmeg just to basically bring out that flavor you have in there. Nutmeg, zest, a little small piece of nutmeg in there. So we're gonna dump so first you're gonna add, third you're gonna add basically your flour, 1 cup of flour to this. Mix it in. Once you add the flour, then you wanna add the spice. Because the reason why I didn't wanna add the spice, you don't want it to be chunky inside of the wet mixture. And then this is your baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and also your salt, a little splash of salt. Okay. Then you're gonna need I always use almond milk. You're gonna need basically half cups of almond milk, half cups of almond milk right here. Let's scrape that out. Okay, we're gonna basically slowly mix it in. Okay. The mixture is getting there, okay? You don't wanna mix it too much, okay? Then here is your oil. 2 tablespoons of oil. This smells very good. these out of the way. Okay. And once for all, you're gonna need half cups of water. Can't forget that. Slowly mix it in. Because remember, you're making a pancake. You need this very nice and thin, right? You don't want basically your pancake mixture to be basically too thick. And you can use this to make a waffle also. Okay. You see that mixture? Very nice, right? And that's the final stage. You don't want to basically your mixture to be too thick and too thin. So this is the right stage. And now I'm gonna head over to the making this butter. Okay, we're gonna basically, I always like to look at the bottom. I'm gonna off my this is a banana pancake, and this is how I top it off. The finishing, this is what I do. I basically dust it with a little bit of natural powder sugar. Then I top it off with some very great rich top it off with some normally great rich honey, and there you have it. And I want to top it off grape and blueberry. That's what I want to top it off with. Wash it, and this is what I want to top it off with. I just want to show you that you can do a lot of creativity stuff. There you go. You can do a lot of creativity stuff. Oh. So let's open it up and garnish it. There you go. Put a blueberry inside. It's a very good recipe, believe me. And there you have it. And it's very tasty also. And that's the steamed cabbage. And I want to give it a try because I want to show you the texture of it. See? This is the texture. It's very nice. See? Very soft and nice. Delicious. And tastes so good. My Lord. And then this is the steamed cabbage. A lot of flavor. Steamed cabbage. Banana pancake. If you have any trouble making this breakfast or brunch, please holler at me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. I want to say thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you. Please like and share and subscribe if you think this this whole recipe and this whole channel been helping you so far. And thank you so much, and you have a good one. All right, peace.